Hello everybody, we're currently programming a new key for a 2016 Ford Flex. This is a smart push to start ignition. Right there, as you can see, we have our programmer connected to the OBD port of the vehicle, right down there. And we're gonna go by vehicle. We have 2 keys to program today. So we're gonna go find the vehicle. Oh, not Fusion, Flex, I'm sorry. Ford Flex. Am I blind? There we go. Okay, and this is a smart key. We're gonna do all smart keys lost. In turn, we're gonna have to have 2 keys programmed back into the system. Takes about 10 minutes to do. Now, here is the programming slot. So once you lift up the armrest, as you can see, right here, there is a cutout, okay? So you drop the key right in there, and that's gonna learn the key down there while it's programming. After it tells you to cycle it in, that's where the car will recognize it. This is also a good slot to put your key in case your battery dies in the key and you don't know how to start the vehicle. Drop the key just like that, and then the car should start when you push the button. Thanks for watching, guys. How to program a Ford Flex 2016 fob.